Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to be showing you two hauls that I did back to back and merge them into one video. I'll first show you what I purchased, how much I spent, and then I will show you how I used it around my house and then move right into the other haul. Here is Caleb video bombing me. What's today's date, Lovey? 8. Today is April the 8th, 2018 at 6:01 in the morning, and we are headed out of Bedford to Punxsutawney. Apparently I like to begin all of my videos makeup-less. Maybe I should turn the light back off so you can't see me. Serious talking. We are going to Punxsutawney to a kind of like an auction warehouse type thing. What is this actual name of this? Do you know? Morris? It's like, it's gonna be kind of like Hokey G's if you're from the Bedford area. Everything is $20 and under. It's all antiques and vintage stuff. And we're just gonna go have a look around because they have a Facebook page and they have pictures posted every day of like what they're gonna have the next day. And if you get there early, you can get a pass to get in 15, excuse you, bless you. If you get there early, you can get a pass to get in the doors an extra 15 minutes early because they only have like one of a lot of items. So yeah, we're gonna go see what this is all about. Alright, so we are back from that shopping experience. Everything was pretty neat on the first level. It was all $20 and under, so I was able to get a lot of really good bargains there. Okay, this first thing that I'm about to show you as soon as I turn the light on here is a crate that I purchased for, I think, $15. It is extremely dirty, so I'm going to have to really clean it up. It has some of its original writing still on it, which I thought was really neat. Please ignore the dirt in the inside. I literally just brought it in the door. There's more writing over on this side. Next, I found this old white farm table for $20. It's missing a leaf, but this other leaf does work, and I know it's really rough, but once I get cleaned up and decorated, I think it'll be perfect for what I want to use it for. And next, I got these two buckets, and I'm going to be using them on my deck and planting some wildflowers in them. I can't wait for that. And they were $7 a piece. Now they had a dollar table, and I was able to find this windmill that actually plays music, and I just thought it was the cutest thing ever and really matched this mini crock back behind it that was also $1, and I'm going to be putting some wildflowers in that. I am really into wildflowers this spring. Can't wait for summer. And in front of that is an adorable little rooster that literally matches everything in my kitchen, and he was $1 as well. My husband found these pots, and amazingly we have the rest of the set that was in this house whenever we purchased it 4 years ago, so now we have the complete set. And they all together were $20. My husband found this fan, and he thought that it would be really cute to sit on the table, and I think it'll be neat to use in the summertime. It just gives it that real old farmhouse feel. We bought it for $10, and this sign I picked up right before we literally walked out the door, and I'm so glad I did because it was $1 as well as everything that's sitting on top of the crate. And the man said that it was found in an old wooden chest that was locked up in a house for many years and was sold at an auction, and it dates back to 1940. My husband got this for himself. He said, "You're not allowed to use this for decoration purposes." He wanted it for picking strawberries in his garden, which is an excellent idea. So yay, this is what it looks like all put together. I ended up not doing anything with the table except for cleaning it off really well. I ended up using a magic eraser on a lot of spots. The table comes up on the one end, the leaf, and that little lever pulls out, and it does work if I would ever want to use it someday. If I ever wanted to repaint it, I could, but I cannot ever bring back the originality of it after it's already been painted. So I ended up leaving it alone for now and seeing how it just works out in my kitchen. So yes, that concludes my first haul of this video, and I believe we spent around $100. Some people may say that's too much, some people may say that's just perfect. For me, I say it's all about perspective, but it was totally worth it for me because finally, after 4 years of living in this house, this bare kitchen wall, which is pretty large, has a purpose, and it brings back all those warm, fuzzy feelings of walking into my great-grandmother's home as a child, and I love it. And as they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure, and for me, in this case, it is so true. Okay, so the very next day I went to the Dollar Tree to find some artificial flowers to put in the crock I got, and I was really excited to see a bunch of wall signs that they had and a few that set up on their own, and I really couldn't choose, so I had a project in mind and I thought I'm just gonna get all of them because they were only $1, and I will show you where I put them. They actually have a whole bunch more than I picked up, but these were just the ones that I personally couldn't choose from. We have a table sitting in the corner of our breezeway that I used to put the Christmas tree on this past winter, and I was about ready to put it away, but then I thought maybe I could redecorate it with some spring things and some signs, so I ended up putting 3 signs here. These 2 say, "Bless this home" and "Aim to inspire." Flowers I got there, the vase I already had, and this sign says, "Kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul, healthy to the body." Proverbs 16:24. This one says "Home Sweet Home" and is very simple, but I love it. And although I like tea better, I still love coffee, so I had to get this, and it has a glass center in it. Next, this Dream Big sign is adorable and represents everything that I believe in. And I got this Bless the Home sign that is freestanding, along with Everything Starts with a Dream, also freestanding. This sign here says "Today is going to be awesome," and I found that very inspirational, along with "Aim to inspire." How much more inspirational could you get? Maybe "Let's stay home," because that seems to be my motto for life. I love being at home. And "Begin each day with a grateful heart." And last but not least, my little piggy sign, which I just had to get because he is super cute. And if you remember back to the beginning of this video and look behind the fan, you can see the little piggy sign sitting there. Okay, so I ended up putting the freestanding "Everything Starts with a Dream" sign on my table that sits in my breezeway, along with an old vintage glass vase that I have already had, along with some artificial wildflowers. And as you might remember back at the very beginning of this video, I set in the corner of the table the "Aim to Inspire," "Bless this home," and the honey sign, along with an old tin faux water can and the rest of the wildflowers in it. And as for everything else, I ended up moving it into my living room and creating what I call an inspirational wall above my fireplace. I've never had anything on this wall except for the clock in the center, so I went ahead and put the Dream Big sign, the "Today is going to be awesome" sign, and the "Let's stay at home" sign, along with "Aim to inspire" glass sign, which I originally had out in my breezeway and moved it in here. This clock, like I said, I've had for years, and this little clock down below, which doesn't have a battery in it, was something that was engraved and given to Justin and I for a wedding present. It has our initial or our names on there with the date that we got married, and this little deer was given to me by my grandmother many years ago, and I just love it. There's the "Aim to Inspire" sign, and then up above it I have "Home Sweet Home," and on the very end, "Begin each day with a grateful heart." So yeah, that pretty much concludes both of my Saturday and Sunday hauls. I am putting this up a week late, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed everything, and if you like this, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more from me, either music-wise or decoration-wise, please subscribe to my channel and be sure to turn on the little bell so that you get notified, or else you will never know. Oh, but wait, don't leave yet. I have one more thing to show you. Okay, last but not least, while I was out and about that day, I had to stop at the Tractor Supply and get some supplies for the chickens, and I saw these enormous roosters that are taller than me, along with some baby peeps down below, and I thought they would be the cutest thing to set in front of our chicken coop, but I obviously didn't get them. I don't even know how much they were, but I might go back later on this summer if they're still there. And then I saw these little piglets that are planters, and I thought that they would look so cute sitting beside the pig pen. Okay, I guess I'm done now. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.